Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this USB charging port. This one is I just purchased it from Amazon. This has like regular USB charger and 5 USB-C charger. Nowadays we have all the devices, like everything is coming either USB or USB-C charger. So that's why I purchased this, because the good thing is, like, I can charge at least 10 device, total 10 device together. So for portability, this is really good. Like when we go outside and we need to charge our watch, our camera, a lot of things, iPad, iPod. And the good thing is it can work in my car also, because this is only 100 watt. This is maximum 100 watt it supports. So this can be a good one for travel purpose. Like with one device I can put a lot of chargers. So this is the charging port, and you can see 5 regular USB and 5 USB-C. And even if you go close, so this is the 20 watt USB-C PD, this one. And this was a quick charger port for regular USB, and these are USB 3, and all these are 5 volt. So this seems to me very good product. Like I think everybody is looking for this kind of product. Like with one device they can charge when they are not at home, when they want to go outside. That's the main purpose. Like when you are on the road, you want this kind of things. So they are giving 2 extension cables. I don't know why they are giving that. And let me tell you the price of this product. This one I purchased from Amazon for $29, 29 plus tax. So I'll put the product link in the description box. So let me connect and see, does it work really good or not. Is it good or not? I don't have 10 devices right now, but I'll connect at least few. So let me put it in the charging. So this is fine. So I just want to start with this one. This is a regular USB. So yes, it is charging. The light is blinking, so it is charging. Now I want to use this for iPhone using USB-C port, USB-C. And this is another iPhone charging 100%. So friends, as you can see now, I connected 4 USB. All are getting charged. Like my headphone is getting charged, this one is getting charged, and this is this microphone receiver, that is also getting charged. This is the camera getting charged. This is iPhone, and this is microphone directly is getting charged. So I don't have that more than that device. Might be I have, but like I will have Apple Watch and few others. So that's a good thing, I think. And the good thing I told you, like I can connect it to my car. Like I can do the all this kind of charging in my car. Let me show you that. So if you look at here, my car has this kind of port, and it supports maximum 150 watt, like 115 volt and 150 watt it supports. So you can see, so I can easily use it in my car while I am traveling. So this can be a very good product for doing all this. And I think I actually did some research on, like, on this device, like which one is, and all of them are, most of them are coming very expensive and doesn't have that many ports, mainly USB-C, that doesn't have that many USB-C ports. So this one only I found is reasonable price, and it has enough ports, at least 10 devices I can charge. So that's why I choose this one. So friends, let me know how do you like this video, and if you have any suggestion, any thought or any comment, please put it in the comment box. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.